Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm going to present you some amazing nail art designs. These are the donuts nail art designs, and nowadays these are very trending on TikTok, social media. So you can take the designs and the way you want it to do, you can do it nail art on your nails, on your for your customers. If you have a salon, you can take an idea from these designs and patterns. I hope you will like the video. If you like the video, do subscribe the channel and share with your friends. So tell me your favorite nail art designs, because these types of shapes suits on all types of hand, and your hands will look so beautiful. If you have a messy nails and don't like, you can't present it in front of others, so you can do the nail art and your hands will look so beautiful as compared to the previous ones. So yeah, that's all. Do follow for more and subscribe the channel, share with your friends, and let me know your favorite nail art design from this video. So I will come up with in my next video with those type of designs. Thank you so much. Bye bye.